Hello, this is a little video to show you how to run Kanboard on a Mac. If you're the kind of person who's interested in running Kanboard on a Mac, you probably know what a web server is and what the terminal is used for and so on. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. I'll point out a couple of things just in case you're kind of new to this, but I could talk about this for either 30 seconds or 30 minutes, and I'm just going to try to keep it short here. So you go to kanboard.org and scroll down until you find download latest released. And then just get that. The zip file is fine. Go to your downloads folder. You got the zip file, so just double click to unzip that. And you need to put it into the web service folder where it's set up to get documents from, to serve documents from, I should say. So in your hard drive, library, web server, documents. And I'm just going to rename this to Kanboard. When you drag it into here, you're going to have to authenticate. So just put in your password or Touch ID. So the next thing to do is actually get the web server running on your Mac. So it comes with one, but it's not on by default. So if you go to localhost, you'll see that the site can't be reached. So you go to terminal, and a couple of things. Sudo means run this command as an administrator. apachectl, apachectl for Apache control. Apache is the name of the web server. And start. And again, put in your password. And now it's running. If you ever want to turn this off, just say the same thing, except change it from start to stop. So now we come back to Chrome, and the web server is running. So you get this little response and says, it works, instead of saying it can't be found. That's because the file in here just says it works. Kanboard is there, so if you add on Kanboard, it's going to give an error, but I just want to see what it does first. Oh, you don't have permission? Okay. So let's see now. So the thing is, PHP is not running and PHP is required. So to do that, I'll say, and there's a million ways to do this. This is how I'm going to do it. Sudo nano, and then I'm going to type in a path here. Just in case you didn't know, you can use the tab key on your keyboard to complete. So I need to go to the etc directory. So I can just type in E and then press tab, and it completes. And then I need to go to the Apache directory. So I type ap tab, and it completes. And I need to edit the httpd.conf file, so I type h tab, and it completes. And if you did this quick enough, it still has your password from last time, otherwise you'll have to put it in again. So this is a Unix text editor, so it doesn't use Mac keyboard shortcuts, but it does have keyboard shortcuts. You just have to use the control key instead of the command key. So I'm going to say Control W to bring up the search dialog, where, and I'll look for PHP, and it finds it. Just arrow back to the beginning of this line, delete that one character, and just like a regular editor, if you exit without saving, it's going to ask, do you want to save? So I'll press Control X, not Command X, but Control X, and it says, do you want to save? And I say yes, so I just hit a Y, and then it says, is this the file you want to save? And I hit return to accept it, and then it's all there. Press the up arrow twice, and change start to graceful. You can also type restart, but I was in the habit of typing graceful because that is a graceful restart, which I won't explain here, but anyway. Restart, and then I come back over here, and if you reload this page, progress is being made. It is reading the PHP file, but it's telling you that the data directory must be writable. So to do that, we're going to enter our final command. It's going to again start with sudo. Chmod is short for change mode. And I'm just going to make it 777. Again, don't worry about this. There may be better ways to do this. This way it will work. It's safe to do on your local machine. And again, we'll use autocomplete. So I'm going to type a slash and then a capital L, press tab to get to the library folder. WE, tab, web server, D for documents, K for Kanboard, and DA tab for data. So this will make that directory writable that's where Kanboard is going to store its data. So you come back here and reload the page one more time, and everything works. By default, the login is admin, password is admin, and there you go. You can go new project, be famous, go to the board, make a new thing, make a video, post video. See, now make a video is in progress, drag it over there. So I'm not sure if there's anything in Kanboard that doesn't work on a Mac, but for the few things that I do with it, it works fine. So hopefully this is helpful to you.